different location. See if we can't give the Typhonized granite a little blast. These shocks work great, but without all that extra rubber on the big fat monster truck tires, obviously you realize now that how much suspension it actually adds and cushion. Let's rip a bit. All right. Woo! Pretty stable though. I guess a lot like a Typhon. Think buggies. That's barely on the throttle too. I just feel like I've gotten kind of lucky thus far. There we go. Hopefully that was in the frame. That was pretty cool. Okay. Having said that, let's move this back. I got some clicking. I hope it's just a stone. Probably not. Oh yeah. We love it. At least we do have some correctability in the air. That one pothole all too well. Oh, there it is.